What causes HVAC coils to freeze? 1. What causes HVAC coils to freeze? There are a number of things that can cause HVAC coils to freeze, including low refrigerant levels. When there is not enough refrigerant in the system, the coils cannot absorb enough heat from the air, which can cause them to freeze. Restricted airflow. If the airflow over the coils is restricted, they cannot transfer heat efficiently and may freeze. This can be caused by a dirty air filter, clogged condensate line, or blocked ductwork. Malfunctioning fan. If the fan that blows air over the coils is not working properly, it can also cause them to freeze. Improper installation. If the HVAC system is not installed properly, it can lead to a number of problems, including frozen coils. 2. How can I tell if my HVAC coils are frozen? There are a few signs that may indicate that your HVAC coils are frozen. Reduced airflow from the vents. If the airflow from the vents is reduced or non-existent, it could be a sign that the coils are frozen. Ice or frost on the coils. If you can see ice or frost on the coils, they are definitely frozen. Water pooling around the HVAC unit. If there is water pooling around the HVAC unit, it could be a sign that the condensate line is clogged, which can lead to frozen coils. 3. What should I do if my HVAC coils are frozen? If you think your HVAC coils are frozen, the first thing you should do is turn off the system. This will prevent further damage to the coils. Once the system is off, you can try to thaw the coils by following these steps. 1. Turn off the thermostat. 2. Set the fan to on to circulate the air over the coils. 3. Place a pan of warm water near the coils. 4. You can also use a hair dryer on the low setting to thaw the coils. 4. How can I prevent HVAC coils from freezing? There are a few things you can do to prevent HVAC coils from freezing. Change the air filter regularly. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow to the coils, which can lead to freezing. Keep the condensate line clear. A clogged condensate line can cause water to back up and freeze the coils. Have your HVAC system serviced regularly. A qualified HVAC technician can check the refrigerant levels and make sure that the system is operating properly. 5. How much does it cost to fix frozen HVAC coils? The cost to fix frozen HVAC coils will vary depending on the severity of the problem and the cost of labor in your area. However, you can expect to pay between $100 and $500 for repairs. If you notice any of the signs that your HVAC coils may be frozen, it is important to take action immediately to prevent further damage. By following the tips above, you can help to keep your HVAC system running smoothly and efficiently. Please check description for much more.